Hello everyone, today's video is all about onions, their benefits and potential harms. We'll also discuss the right amount of onion to consume for health and the specific advantages onions offer to both women and men. So, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the quest for a healthy lifestyle and diet, many people often overlook that certain fruits and vegetables, while generally beneficial, can also have negative effects. A prime example is the onion. Although its benefits outweigh the harms, there are specific health conditions where onion consumption is not recommended. Onions are rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron, sulfur, fluorine, calcium, and flavonoids, making them highly beneficial. This was recognized in ancient Greece, where onions were used medicinally. Roman warriors ate them regularly for strength and courage, and athletes in Olympia used them to boost energy for training. Today, onions may not be used in the same way, but they're still a staple in kitchens worldwide, essential in countless recipes. They also find use in medicine and beauty treatments. Next, we'll dive deeper into the beneficial and other properties of onions. Let's explore the health benefits of onions, especially for heart and vascular health. Heart and vascular health. Onions offer several benefits for the heart and blood vessels. They are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the intestinal walls. Additionally, onions contribute to preventing atherosclerosis by lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Recent studies have shown that consuming 45 grams of onions daily can significantly decrease levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides, primarily due to their ability to inhibit inflammation in the blood vessels and intestinal walls. This reduces the risk of damage and lowers the chances of blood clot formation. As a result, the risk of severe cardiovascular incidents like strokes, heart attacks, and pulmonary embolisms is also reduced. German researchers have discovered that consuming onions daily can reduce blood pressure by up to 7%. Using onions can be a preventative measure against arterial hypertension, but it should not replace medical treatment prescribed by a healthcare professional. Flu, cold, and runny nose. A time-tested remedy from childhood is inhaling the scent of finely chopped onions. This is a very effective method. The impact targets the upper respiratory tract, where cold viruses and bacteria are most concentrated. For the best effect, it's recommended to use fresh onions and inhale alternately through the nose and mouth for at least 20 minutes. Repeat this procedure several times a day, ideally as a preventive measure or in the early stages of a cold. Kidney diseases. For kidney diseases, onion broth can be very helpful. It's used in the comprehensive treatment of conditions like pyelonephritis, cystitis, and urethritis. The recipe is simple. Take 3 teaspoons of onion skin, pour about 400 milliliters of boiling water over it, and boil for 1 minute. Then let it steep for up to 30 minutes, strain, and consume 15 milliliters 3 to 4 times a day. For head vessel problems and cramps. If you're experiencing issues with head vessels or suffering from leg cramps, onion skin broth might provide relief. To prepare it, pour boiling water over 1 teaspoon of crushed onion skins. Allow the mixture to steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain it. Drinking this broth before bedtime can help alleviate these symptoms. Nail fungus. To treat nail fungus, a potent remedy involves daily foot soaks in a strong broth made from onion skins. For each soak, ensure that the duration is at least 30 minutes to achieve the best results. This method harnesses the natural properties of onion skins to combat fungal infections effectively. Baked onion for cough. For treating cough, particularly in cases of bronchitis, baked onion serves as an effective remedy. This method is also suitable for individuals with inflammatory stomach diseases. To prepare, fill a wine bottle with chopped onion, seal it with a cork, and cover the top with dough. Bake in the oven until the dough forms a golden crust. Once done, turn off the oven and allow it to cool. Then, remove the dough and consume the prepared onion remedy by taking 2 tablespoons 4 times daily after meals. Cancer prevention. Incorporating onions into your daily diet can play a significant role in cancer prevention, especially in reducing the risk of stomach and colorectal cancers. Research from the United States indicates that regular onion consumption can decrease the likelihood of stomach cancer by 22% and colorectal cancer by 15%. The cancer-fighting properties of onions are attributed to the microelements and antioxidants they contain. Thus, onions can be considered a proactive measure in preventing the development of malignant tumors. Lowering blood glucose levels. Consuming 100 grams of onions daily can notably decrease blood glucose levels by 1 to 2 millimoles per liter within 4 hours. This reduction in sugar levels suggests onions are beneficial in diabetes prevention. Research has confirmed similar effects in animal studies. Onions not only help in lowering blood sugar but also aid in reducing fat deposits, which is crucial since obesity is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. These benefits are largely attributed to the high levels of quercetin and sulfur found in onions, making them a natural option for managing blood sugar levels. Strengthening bones. Daily intake of 100 milliliters of onion juice has been shown to enhance bone mineral density, a finding particularly significant for women over 50 who are at risk of osteoporosis during post-menopause. Studies in the United States have also revealed that a modest daily consumption of onions can increase bone mineral density by 5%. These properties of onions contribute to osteoporosis prevention and lower the likelihood of pathological fractures. Interestingly, it has been observed that even occasional onion consumption can reduce the risk of hip fractures by 20%. Thus, onions play a valuable role in improving bone mineral density and in the prevention of pathological fractures. Benefits for men's health. Onions offer significant health benefits for men. They have the potential to enhance reproductive function, aiding in issues related to infertility and low sperm activity. While onions alone aren't a cure for infertility, their inclusion in a broader treatment regimen can be very helpful. Additionally, onions are beneficial in managing prostate adenoma, which is prevalent among men over 40. Regular consumption of onions not only detoxifies the body, but also fortifies and increases the flexibility of blood vessel walls. Consuming a small piece of onion before bedtime can be particularly effective in alleviating symptoms of frequent or painful urination. Over time, such as within a month, improvements in prostate health may be observed. Benefits for women's health. Onions are highly advantageous for women's health, comparable to their benefits for men. Rich in B vitamins, especially folic acid, onions play a crucial role in maintaining hormonal balance in women. Regular consumption of onions can contribute to the prevention of malignant breast tumors, enhance metabolism, and improve the functioning of the gastrointestinal tract. They are also known to alleviate menstrual pain, increase libido, and support a healthy reproductive system. Additionally, the high vitamin C content in onions aids in skin rejuvenation, hair restoration, and nail health, primarily through stimulating collagen production in the female body. Potential harm and contraindications. While onions are packed with beneficial substances and vitamins, they may not be suitable for everyone and can have some undesirable effects. A common side effect of consuming onions is bad breath, which can be mitigated by eating parsley leaves or walnuts afterwards. Gastrointestinal disturbances can occur, particularly with excessive onion consumption, or in individuals with chronic conditions like gastritis or pancreatitis. Additionally, onions might trigger arrhythmia in those with cardiovascular diseases, including chronic heart failure or ischemic heart disease. In such cases, it's recommended to moderate onion intake. Vegetable and heart health. Onions, while beneficial for heart and blood vessel health, can also have a toning effect on blood vessels. This might result in heart rhythm disturbances for individuals with heart diseases. Therefore, it's prudent to limit onion consumption in certain situations, particularly for those with chronic gastrointestinal diseases, especially during active flare-ups. Conditions such as gastritis, pancreatitis, peptic ulcer disease, and gastroesophageal reflux disease fall under this category. Additionally, individuals with cardiovascular diseases, including those with chronic heart failure or a predisposition to heart rhythm disturbances, should also be cautious. In these cases, onions should ideally be used as a preventive measure rather than a cure. Attention to onion consumption during pregnancy. During pregnancy, careful consideration should be given to onion consumption. Onions are a valuable source of folic acid, crucial for the healthy development of the fetus. Folic acid is particularly important for the formation of the fetal neural tube. An inadequate intake may result in developmental issues in the cardiovascular and nervous systems of the fetus. Additionally, the high vitamin C content in onions can strengthen the baby's immune system. For these reasons, it is generally recommended for pregnant women to include onions in their diet, with a suggested amount being half an onion per day. However, as with any dietary change during pregnancy, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. When it comes to onion consumption, moderation is key. Consuming either too much or too little doesn't provide positive health effects. Eating about 150 grams of onions can fulfill your daily needs for vitamins A and C, along with essential electrolytes such as potassium, selenium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital for the health of your cardiovascular system and bones. However, it's important to remember that overconsumption of onions can be detrimental to your health. Additionally, proper storage of onions is crucial to maintain their freshness and nutritional value.